Hello guys, how to fix KB5041585 update failed to install on Windows 11 and Windows 10. This is a new released Windows update, and if you try to install it and fail to install, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and look for troubleshoot. Troubleshoot is an inbuilt tool of Windows system, and initial workaround run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on other troubleshooters and here click on run button against Windows Update. Click on it and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, fix them accordingly. Wait for some time and follow on-screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process in your system. This is the best tool to fix any issue. Windows inbuilt tool troubleshooters for any issues on your system. The second workaround, if your problem is still, then go to the next. Right click on a start button and choose run, and run dialog box will open. Here type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK and it will open your network connections. Right click on your network connection and choose properties. Here select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click on properties. Here go to make the check against option, use the following DNS server address and type server address 88888844. This is Google DNS server, and finally click on OK and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, close the window and again go to open run dialog box. Right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key. Dialog box. Here type services.msc to open services windows in your system. Click on OK to open services windows, and here look for 3 to 4 services you should restart in your system. The first one is background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and choose restart. Thereafter apply a double click on background intelligent transfer service and set a startup type as automatic and click on apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is cryptographic services. Look for cryptographic services, same process. Right click on it and choose restart. If you found it a stop, then first start it and then restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. The third one is Windows installer. Look for Windows installer services. Right click on it and choose restart. If you found it a stop, then start it. Apply a double click on it to open. You can't change its startup type because it's grayed out. And the last one is Windows update services. Right click on it and choose restart. First, if a stop mode, then start it, otherwise restart it. Set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows update error failed to install resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode, open it, and in command prompt Windows, execute these 3 DISM tools: DISM online scanhealth, DISM online checkhealth, and DISM online restorehealth. execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. In command prompt windows, it will scan your system health, check health, and restore health if any problem found. Thereafter, execute the command sfc scan now. Press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files. Wait till 100% verification completed. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. Windows update failed to install, solved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Execute some Windows update components. Again, go to command prompt windows, run as administrator mode, and in command prompt windows, execute as shown on screen some Windows update components. First, stop these 4 services. One by one, execute these 4 commands, followed by enter key on each time. And first stop these 4 services, and thereafter simply type in command prompt windows and press enter one by one. Thereafter, execute these 2 commands, SoftwareDistribution.old and catroot.old. One by one, execute these 2 commands also. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. After that, at the end, start all these 4 services which you have earlier stopped them. Execute these 4 commands to start all services. And once completed, restart your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, try to install your Windows latest update manually. To do so, open your Chrome browser and here type Microsoft Update Catalog. Look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter and choose first result, Microsoft Update Catalog. Here in search field, type the update which you want to install and click on search. All the result will appear. Simply click on download and rather install it manually. All these updates KB5041585 related update are available. Simply download and install it in your system manually. That's all.